Welcome back to Conquer the Fear. Have you ever found yourself staring at the Java snippet code during an interview? Felt heart racing, right? Wondering what will be the output, right? What if you miss the subtle details that could cost you a job interview, right? In today's challenge, we are deep diving into the Java's toughest questions, the one that could make or break your interview. Think you can crack this tricky code snippets? Ready to face the pressure of predicting the Java output under the spotlight? So, this is not an ordinary coding quiz. It's time to level up your Java skills and ace the next interview. So, can you guess the correct output? So, let's find out because this is where every coder true skills will be tested. Without wasting time, let's jump into the code. The very first thing is removing the items from the using iterator. If you see here, I have given a list of array string which I'm passing here, and then I'm iterating over it. Okay, so I'm trying to check if there is an string value b or that. So I wanted to understand what would be the output here. So the options are a and b, a and c, a b c, b and c, or just a. So using the iterator, when we remove this particular method, it is going to allow safely remove, right, during the iteration. So the answer is going to be A and C. Let's jump into the code. Now if you see here, I've opened this particular code over here. Okay, this is the same program which we have already talked about. So I've written it already for you. Now I will just try to run this. See here, the output is A, C, right? Index out of bound exception in the list. Now when you see here, I have a list of array. So I've completed that to an array as a list over here. So I have A, B, and C. Let's look out the option. I'm trying to review it, get the element I, that is using the fifth element. What will be the output? It's A, index out of bound exception, null, or C. So here it will throw it's a fixed set of size, right? So it is going to, when you're trying to go for the index 5, it will throw an index bound option because it is not there. There are only 0 to 3 elements over here, right? Let's jump into the second code and try and see. Now if you see here, it is throwing index out of bound, right? Now if I change it to 1, it will run. There will be no problem. List iterator using the linked list. Now if you see here, I am trying to create a string of linked list of string. I'm storing the apple, banana, and the cherry, and I'm trying to iterate. And directly I'm going to, without the while loop, I'm trying to just call the next iterator dot next, and then I'm trying to set this. Okay. Here if you see, what would be the output? First, if apple, banana, cherry, avocado, banana, cherry, avocado, apple, banana, or avocado, banana. Now, if you see here, this will be the first D output because avocado, banana, and cherry. Why? Because it is going to modify those particular element and is going to return the next, right? So apple is will be replaced with the avocado. Now let's jump into the code. Now if you open the third program, here is the list of string which I have created, and then I am trying to iterate it over here. Okay, let's run it. Right, if you see, it is being replaced. Okay, let's look at the fourth, the tree set ordering. Now in this case, what I've done is that we made use of set, and implementation is tree set. I'm trying to add the elements over here. Okay, and trying to print it out. Let's see the options: 1, 2, 5, and 8. 8, 5, 2, 1, 2, 5, 8, 1, or 5, 8, 2, 1. So what do you think, what would be the output? What do you think the output would be? The tree set will store the element in the sorted order because we are imaging without tree set. So it is a natural sorting order that we may use it the custom comparator as well. So 1, 2, 5, and 8. Let's jump into the code. If you see here, I've created a tree set. I've tried to add the elements over here, and then I'm trying to run this. Now if you see here, it is in the sorted order. We want to compute the method in the hash map. Now I have given the option as adding the string and integer the of type map. Okay. Under that you will see I'm putting A as 1, B as 2, and C as 3 in the map, and then trying to compute B is equal to key value is equal to C here. So I wanted to know what would be the output. So A 1, 1, 2, 3, and then this is going to be D, or that is 10, or it is going to be A as 1, B as 2, and C as 3, and D as 10, or the output like would be A is equal to 1, or B is equal to 2, or C is equal to 3, or A is equal to 1, or B is equal to 2, or C is equal to 3. The answer would be the first one because it is going to update the values based on the given key, right? So for example B, right, the value was 2, but it is going to update it with the 1 and 2. And for example for D, okay, the value did not existed only, so the default value it is computed as 0. Sorry, it is computed as 10. I hope this video is making sense to you, and also you are able to upgrade your skill. I hope this video was helpful. So please share it with the needy people. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and also get notified when there is a new video uploaded.